I remember the first time I used tretinoin on my skin. I was so excited. I felt my acne would vanish within a few weeks. But what I rather discovered within those few days was that my skin was peeling, I had tingling sensation, and then my acne even multiplied. I was so scared. I felt I had destroyed my face. I didn't know that that ugly face was actually a sign that the tretinoin was working really well. So if you're wondering whether tretinoin is worth it, stick around because I'm about to break it all down for you. In this video, I'm going to talk about tretinoin. I'm going to tell you what it is, how to use it, when to use it, what it is used for, and mistakes to avoid in order to achieve the goodness that this greatest of all time skincare product has to offer. Guys, let's dive right into this video. All right, guys, let's start with what is tretinoin. Tretinoin is a prescription strength retinol that is derived from vitamin A. So tretinoin is a derivative of vitamin A. It is clinically proven to speed up cell turnover, unclog pores, and boost collagen production. This means that tretinoin is a powerhouse for treating acne, fine lines and wrinkle, hyperpigmentation, and uneven skin texture. Unlike retinol, tretinoin is faster, stronger, and treats your skin concern very fast if you use it well. Now, this is how to use tretinoin without wrecking your skin. To get the best out of your tretinoin, these are the following things that you should do. Firstly, start slow. Start with a pea size of this retinol. This is what I mean by a pea size of retinol. This is how I use my own. This is a pea size of retinol. Okay, start very slow, 2 to 3 times in a week. Then as you progresses, as your skin gets used to it, you can increase it as your skin adapts. Then secondly, what you should do is that you do not apply tretinoin on your damp skin. Apply tretinoin on a dry skin, please. If you apply tretinoin on your wet or damp skin, it will increase irritation on your skin. So ensure that your skin is dry before applying your tretinoin on your face, okay? After washing your face, wait for 20 to 25 minutes before applying tretinoin on your skin in order to reduce irritation. Thirdly, start with a low percentage of tretinoin. I advise that you use this one. This is the 0.002 percentage. Now, if you use that one and you notice that your skin is getting used to tretinoin, you can move up to 0.5%. okay, so start gentle. Start with a low percentage of tretinoin before upping your game. Do you understand? And another thing that I would like you to note is that you should use tretinoin at night. This is so because tretinoin can make your skin to be photosensitive, that is sensitive to the sun. So use tretinoin at night so that you will get the best results out of it. If you must use tretinoin during the daytime, please use a very good amount of moisturizer. Do you understand me? Even if you're using tretinoin at night, you can use your moisturizer. When I was using my own tretinoin, this is what I was using as my moisturizer, this Vaseline Blue Seal. Okay, after applying my tretinoin on my face, I apply the Vaseline Blue Seal. But if you're using it during the day, after applying your tretinoin, please use a good amount of your sunscreen. If you're using tretinoin, you don't use it around your sensitive areas, this eye area and your mouth area. Please, tretinoin should not touch that area. Just rub on your cheek, your forehead, just rub outside your eyes and your mouth area, okay, because those sides of our skin are very sensitive, to avoid excess irritation and sensitivity on our skin. So avoid those areas of your face, okay. And don't forget to follow up with a good amount of moisturizer because tretinoin can make your skin to be dry. When using tretinoin, you start seeing results in the 3rd week of usage. So you will notice that your skin texture is getting bright, your acne are fading off, and your hyperpigmentation is clearing off. Tretinoin will give you a clear, smooth, and a glowing skin. I need you to know that while tretinoin can be incredibly effective, it also have some side effects when not used properly. First side effect that you will notice is redness of the skin. You notice redness, irritation, and dryness on your skin if you do not use tretinoin properly, just the way I have stated here. Follow the instruction as I have given here, and you will notice that you will not have redness, irritation, or dryness on your skin. Note that tretinoin is not ideal for highly sensitive skin. It is not ideal for pregnant women, those that are not willing to adjust to the changes that tretinoin will bring to your skin first. So if you know that you are in this category, stay away from tretinoin. Okay, most of you will be asking, so is tretinoin worth it? For me, absolutely it is worth it, because it transformed my skin. Last 3 weeks I posted on Facebook that I'm having acne so much on my face and I don't like what I am seeing, and I also posted that I was going to show you what I use. What I use to clear my skin so fast is tretinoin. So guys, if you're patient enough and you use it the right way, you will see the benefit of using tretinoin on your skin. The benefit will be so obvious and visible for everyone to see. You just have to be patient and use tretinoin the right way. Okay, it is not an overnight miracle, but if you stick to it, your skin will thank you. Guys, that is that for tretinoin and how I used it to, treat my acne and hyperpigmentation and got this clear face. Okay, I know that it's not completely clear. I am still using mine. Will you be trying this tretinoin? Have you tried it before? I want to know in the comment section, and do not forget to ask your questions if you have any. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Have you subscribed to my channel? Or to hit the subscription button, put on the notification, like this video, leave a comment and help me share. Okay, thank you so much and have a fantastic time. Bye.